Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to find someone's phone number on their TikTok account or profile if they publicly post it. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is navigate to their profile page. So just select their video and then their user handle, and it should take you to a page that looks like this. Now, if they have different information under here, such as their phone number, address, and email, they should be visible. And you can select that, like a little hyperlink, and it will open up their phone number or email, again, assuming they've made that public. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.